Hey guys, so now I've got to the point where I've done the bottom of this, painted the bottom, sprayed it. Learned a very good lesson too, by the way, just so we're here. Go buy a suit, because you don't want it all over you, because I had it all over me last night. Black face. I mean, somebody probably turned me in for something for having a black face. But anyway, I had the paint all over me, in my hair, on my arms, on my hands, everywhere. I still got some around my eyes, if you can see. Looks like I have mascara on. So anyway, so yeah, put a suit on, because it's going to be all over you if you don't. And so right now, if you remember, I beat on this the last time, earlier in the video, and pounded out these dents on this, like up here and stuff. Got it pretty straight, but I want it to be perfect. So I'm gonna put some Bondo in these spots that aren't perfect, and then Bondo some other spots here, and show you how to do all that. All right, here we go. So, of course, the instructions don't tell you how much working time you have on this, but I knew it wasn't long. This, I've actually done this before. So anyway, not many times, but a couple. So anyway, you got about 5 minutes is when it started thickening up. So, from the time I started the video, so I started mixing it about 5 or 10 minutes. So keep that in mind when you're working it. Make sure you don't spend a lot of time trying to get it perfect like I did over here in the very beginning, because you don't have a whole lot of time, because this part up here I may have to redo. But the good thing about it is it dries quick, so we don't have to sit here and wait all night for it to dry. Should be able to sand this down and get some paint on it here soon, so get it straight. It also says sand it with 320 or 400 grit sandpaper. That seems like a little, not very rough to me, so not very coarse sandpaper. So we'll try it and see. This actually sands pretty good normally. Most of the time it's supposed to anyway. So that might be fine. But we'll try that and see what happens. And if I move to a lower grade, lower course, I'll show you in the video.